life. Yeah, life, you know, the kind of street thing, this. Kind of street USA. All of the hustlers, them was. Yes, my G. You know what they do. Working, making money movement. It's the lifestyle. Whole lot of fruits. Whole lot of fruits outside, G. Lafayette. Internal Center. TD Bank number 30.
Come in 10 minutes, okay?
Tamil figure.
Expensive camera, right?
Yeah.
How much?
I got this a while. I got this a long time now.
Long time, right? You started the motorcycle, right?
Yeah.
How much is?
It was 300 and something. Like,
Oh, yeah.
way back. That's a long time ago.
Next one, make it. Yeah, Papa, Sanko Sariba. Okay. One. Arriba, my guy.
Coffee deli down the road. Bro, you got a cup of coffee over there, so right now that do good. Alright. It's a 2.01.
একবার উপর দেবেন গিয়া এই তিনটা পিস আছে না রশিদা রিডা এক জায়গা মাথা দুইটা টুপি হ্যাঁ গাড়ির ব্যাগে পুরো লই দেন গাড়ির ব্যাগে না সামনে লই দেন টুপি গাড়ির ব্যাগে রেখে দেন
Turn? Yeah. White. We'll make a left, right and white. We're making a right and white. Light shirt. Harley Davis used to be at over here.
How are you, sir? Good.
Change your windows and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Window frame.
Okay, thank you.
So we're on Broadway right now, White Street. We're about to see what takes place.
What happened to your iPhone? Go next one. No more iPhone, right? No more iPhone.
Broke my phone. Do not honk. You see the penalty? See the penalty for honking your horn?
Yeah.
350 if you honk your horn. Penalties around here different. Look at this. This is different. It's a summer school. Yeah, summer is here. Yeah. Turn Church Street. Turn in church.
Yes. Then walk up. Remember the one? This job, you know that? Long time ago. Walk up. Right.
In the Canal Street area.
Sudah itu ekজন যেতে মানুষের কাজ করতে গেছে এখানে মিলে একটা ফায়ার বুঝলি তো তারা গেলে ভালো তো সকালবেলা উঠি দিয়ে রাত্রে ঘুমাইতে ঘুমাইতে সারা নামাজ পড়ে ঘুমাইতে ঘুমাইতে 12টা একটা হয়ে যাবে আবার একটা জায়গা থেকে 3টা বাজে আবার নামাজ কালাম পড়ে আবার মিলে খানা খাবে যেগুলো শরীর রোজা থাকে এগুলো কাম করতে বহুত কষ্ট বুঝলে তারা বেহরে গিয়ে মসজিদ আয় আবার ঘুমাইতে আবার 3টা 4টা বাজে উঠে আবার বালকে আবার ঘুমিয়ে আবার সকালে 6টা বাজে কজন না যাওয়ার ভিতরে
Right here. First, so I don't hear ouch.
Okay, I'm coming later.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah. Welcome to Manhattan with MVision. MVision television, that's where it's at. Retail police. Yo, every time we come and walk a street right here, bro. We do that building over there. See that one right there? It was a scaffold like this. Go all the way back, bro. So a lot of them do this whole thing right here. Then we're doing this one right here. Both we clean this. See all this gonna clean and paint right here. So this is the type of things that we are going right now. Wow. That are going. Yes, yes.
Down the street on Walker.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let me cough up. It's cold out there as a motherfucker. Yo, remember I'm driving, bro. So me stepping out the car right now, it's cold as shit. Look there. Sheesh. It's like going in this country. Gotta find something to do, yo. Shit. When I advise anyone, you come to America, bro, find a job. Find yourself a girl and just live your life. What if you want? Lord fire. And I call it up so. Like a rust gun. It actually is. It's a rust brown. It's like a rust brown, bro. This shit crazy. It's different. I go all the way up the street. Nah, bro. Yeah, I do that. Go and chillax and be like vibe. That's true. Show my girl out there. It's almost 2 o'clock already now, bro. Time I move fast. It's almost 2. Can't see me. I see you like this, like. Where is he? I got on. Wow. What's that up there? What's that for a air balloon up there? Yo, that thing up there, what's that for a air balloon, bro? That shit look. That shit look like one of them things for the air balloons, right? Talk the truth. Yeah, bro, that shit does look like one of them shit for the air balloon. Yo, drop it in the comment section. Come on, me not trip. That definitely ain't no lighthouse, bro. That's for your shit, bro. You know what I'm saying?